Arrive in style with this Dodge 2014 Charger RT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, DVD audio, MP3 decoder, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 8.4 CD DVD MP3 and remote USB port. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.